Hi, I'm Tristan Swedish, CTO and Co-Founder of Ubicept. I'm excited to show you our evaluation kit today. We have two components. We have the compute box and our camera. This is a single photon capable camera, and it takes a DC power supply as input and two USB cables for connectivity. We have a C-mount lens connected. Any C-mount lens will work well, and in this case, we have a telephoto lens. In order to connect the camera, we have our two USB cables, which we plug into our compute box. The box has an Ethernet port, so you can connect it to your local network and connect to it over any web browser. But we also have it set up to be a wireless access point. So using any wireless device like this iPad, we can connect to the box and camera and record video and do processing. In fact, we have an evaluation kit set up today, so I can hit record. And let's see what it can do. Can you turn off the lights? Thank you. For more questions, check out our website.